So these things can be straightened out with a simple trick. Let me show you. So just a second here. Okay, there we go. All right. So you take a cheap comb. Yeah, let me focus this as close as I can get it. Take a cheap comb like this. See that? And these are very close to the fins on there in space. So what we can do is we modify this comb as a fin straightener. So let me hold it out here and focus on it for you for a second. There we go. So what we do, and sorry, I'm my depth of field here. Okay. Take this and we clip this off. And we want to clip it in the middle here. Right there. There we go. So now let's get a close look. See if we can get a close look at this. And I'll show you before and after at the end here. So we just kind of take it and we slip it in. And we just drag it down. We try to get it in as much as possible, one for one. And sometimes it helps if you just put it in an angle like this, because these things don't exactly match up, but it helps a lot. And then we just drag them down, and it starts straightening all these out. Do it a few times here. Start where it's clean. There we go. Okay. So we still have this right here. This is pretty much fixed now. These are really messed up, but you really can't do it. Those, you really can't do when they're that messed up. We can try to open those up with a screwdriver or something, but those are really screwed up. Okay, so it's down here. Try to bend any of these things back to where they're supposed to be. Try to enter in an angle here where these line up perfectly as much as possible with the fins, because we don't want to bend them back. But again, this is like a really quick tip, a useful thing for these cheap combs. Let's start from up here. It's a lot faster than picking these out by hand. Oh man, that's so much faster. I learned this trick when we tried to have a central AC installed and all of the fins on it were bent. All the fins were bent. So some of these are bent too extreme. The ones at the top here, I can show you that those will have to be, I don't think we'll be able to use these to do it. Well, maybe a little bit. It's going to work a little bit up there. But down here, these things decrease your efficiency a lot. So you can just get that so we can get some airflow in here. There we go. And as long as we make sure that our comb ends are lined up, we are fixing the problem. You can make it worse if you're not careful. This is not going to work. This we probably can't do, but we'll find out. Yeah, this is, perhaps we can straighten that out a little with this. Okay, well, this is probably good enough. But anyway, yeah, it's a quick tip. So let me show you a close-up of what that looks like now. I mean, yeah, it's not perfect, but now it's open. We have airflow. The air can get through, bringing our efficiency back up. So just a quick tip.